Hello my dear students. In this video we are continuing with lesson 5 industries. In the first video we discussed about the primary products and secondary products. What is primary product? The product that we derive directly from nature are called primary products. Example timber, minerals, vegetables, milk and meat. And what is secondary products? When primary products are processed, they change into secondary products. And we discussed about the primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. And what is the importance of these industries? Most of the things we use in daily life are products of some kinds of industry, and industries produce goods and services by using different resources as raw materials, and it creates jobs for people, and industries improve people's standard of living. These are the importance of industry. And today we are discussing about the types of industries. Industries are usually classified on the basis of size, ownership, raw materials and products. Industries, we can divide industries on the basis of their size, ownership, raw material and products. And first one we will discuss about the size. An industry that produces on a large scale, employs a large workforce and involves a huge investment is called a large scale industry. When we can call an industry, it is a large scale industry that produces on a large scale and employs a large workforce and involve a huge investment. It need huge investment, that means need lot of money as capital. The industries, large scale industries, example iron and steel, automobile, shipbuilding, they are the example of large scale industries. And what is a small scale industry? A small scale industry produces on a smaller scale, employs fewer people and needs a lower investment. For start a small scale industry, no need of a huge amount of money as capital. Small amount of money is enough. Rice mills, oil mills, small units producing fans, cycles, bulbs, etc. And next, village or cottage industries. Village or cottage industries produce on a very small scale and require very little investment. They are attached to the home and often employ only family members. For starting a village or a cottage industry, no need of large amount of money. We need a little investment. And who will be the employers? Only the family members or the a group of members. They are enough for start a village or cottage industries. And they produce such as handloom clothes, handicrafts, pottery, pickles and so on. And what is ownership? Ownership. An industry owned by an individual or a group of individuals is called private. An industry owned by an individual or a group of individual. We can start an industry, we can start a business alone or a group of people. Those kinds of sectors or those kinds of industries are called private sector industry. An industry owned by the government. Some industries start by the government. Those kinds of industries are called public industry. Private industry means owner should be a person or a group of persons, group of people. Public sector means owner or owned by the government. And we can see joint sector industry also. What will be joint sector? Industry owned jointly by the government and private individual. Half share for government and half share will be private, or half money will give for the ownership should be equal, half from the government side and half from a group of people or an individual. This is called joint sector industry. Private sector, owner should be an individual or a group of individuals. Public sector means owner should be the government, owned by the government. And joint sector means jointly by the government and private individuals. Okay. An industry owned and run by a group of people who produces or supply raw materials for that industry is called a cooperative sector society. What is a cooperative sector society? An industry owned and run by a group of people who produce or supply raw material for that industry is called cooperative sector society. And next we will discuss about raw material. Industries such as cotton textile, sugar, food processing, which use agricultural products as raw materials. Industries like cotton textile, sugar factory, sugar and food processing, which are using raw materials from agriculture field. So we can call them agro-based industry. Forest-based industries like paper use forest products as raw material. And what will be marine-based industry? They will get marine-based industries. They will get their raw material from the ocean. Agro-based industries, they will get their raw material from agriculture field. And marine-based industries, they will get their products or raw materials from ocean and seas. The production of fish oil and seafood processing are industries of this type. These are the example of marine-based industries. And what is mineral-based industries? Example, iron and steel and oil refining. They are using or use minerals as raw materials. It is called mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries use minerals as raw material. What is engineering industries? Example, automobile, shipbuilding and electronic use the products of other industries are raw material. Engineering industries use the products of other industries are raw materials. And next we can see that products. Industries that produce things like iron and steel, heavy machinery, engineering goods, cement, etc. are called capital goods industries. What is capital good industries? Industries that produce things like iron and steel and heavy machinery are called capital goods industries or basic industries. And because these products are used by other industries, capital goods industries or basic industries are producing some goods or things. These products are used by other industries. So we will call capital goods industries or basic industries. Their products are used by other industries. Hence, basic industry play a major role in the development of the country. Industries that produce things required for use in daily life are called consumer goods. What is consumer goods? Industries that produce things required for the use of or use in daily life are called consumer goods. And we can call them consumer goods industries. Example, textiles, cosmetics, paper, food products, etc. So we can revise what we learned in this lesson. We discussed about the types of industries. Industries are usually divided on the basis of size, ownership, raw material and products. First we discussed about the size. Large scale industry, small scale industry, village or cotton industry. Large scale means no need of or it need large scale industry. For starting a large scale industry we need lot of people as employees and we need a huge amount of money as investment or capital. And for a small scale industry we no need of large amount of money. Anyway we need money but no need of large number of people, a group of people. That's enough for start a small scale industry. And what is a village or cottage industry? Village or cottage industry produce on a very small scale products and no need of a little investment, little amount of money. That's enough for starting a village or cottage industry. And what is ownership? Here we learned about the private sector industry, public sector industry and joint sector industry. Private sector means owner should be an individual or a group of people, and public sector industry means owner should be or owned by the government, and joint sector means owned jointly by the government and private individuals. And next we learned about the raw materials, agro based industries, marine based industries, mineral based industries, engineering industries. Industries such as cotton, textile, sugar and food processing which use agricultural products, so we can call them agro based industries. And marine based industries get their raw material from ocean or sea. Mineral based industries use minerals as raw material. And next we discussed about products, capital goods industries or basic industries. For the development of a country, the basic industries play a major role. For a development of a country, basic industries play a major role. What is a capital goods industry? Industries that produce things like iron and steel or heavy machines, engineering goods, cement, etc. Or these products are used by other industries. Without these products, other industry cannot survive. So these industries are called capital goods industries. And what is consumer goods industries? Some industries, they are producing things required for use of daily life of the people. Example, such in such industries produce things like textiles, cosmetics, paper, food products, etc., etc. Okay, these are the important point related with types of industries. Hope that all of you understood up to here. Read once again, and if you have any doubt about any point, you can ask through the comments. Thank you.